Now in last video we will discuss about the determination of fineness of cement by air permeability method or air permeability apparatus. Now we shall discuss on determination of standard consistency of cement. So for this process we will refer or follow the IS code IS 4031 part 4 1988. Now what is standard consistency of cement? The standard consistency of cement paste is defined as that the consistency which will permit the Vickers plunger to penetrate to a point 5 to 7 mm from the bottom of the Vickers mold. Now for this experiment we require the apparatus Vickers apparatus conforming IS 5513 1976, balance of accuracy 1 kg and sensitivity of 1 gram, gauging trowel conforming IS 10086 1982. Now Vickers apparatus, this is a Vickers apparatus which consists Vickers mold and so this is Vickers mold. Then a frame is there, and on that frame a gauge is mounted, and the gauge is fixed to a weight on top of that frame, and there is a provision to attach plunger or needles here. So one glass plate is there, then the weighing balance and trowel. So this is a diagram of Vickers apparatus. So this is a mold. This mold is placed under this plunger having a weight of 300 gram and 10 mm diameter of that rod which is fixed to this frame. Now this is plunger which is used to find the standard consistency of cement. It has diameter 10 mm and height 50 mm. This needle is used to find the final setting time of cement, which we shall discuss in next video. And one non-porous plate, that is a glass plate below the mold. Okay, the procedure, unless this otherwise specified, this test shall be conducted at temperature 27 plus minus 2 degree centigrade. Then the relative humidity of that laboratory should be 65 plus minus 5%. So prepare a paste of weighed quantity of cement 300 grams with weighed quantity of potable water or distilled water, taking care that the time of gauging is not less than 3 minutes nor more than 5 minutes, and the gauging is completed before any sign of setting of cement. Okay. The gauging is counted from the time of adding water to the dry cement until the commencing to fill in the mold. So fill the Vickers mold with this paste resting upon a non-porous plate, which is a glass plate. Then smoothen the surface of the paste, making it level with the top of the mold. Then slightly shake the mold to expel the air from the cement paste. In filling the mold, operator hands and the blade of the gauging trowel shall only be used. Immediately place the test block with the non-porous resting plate under the rod bearing the plunger. Lower the plunger gently to touch the surface of test block and quickly release, allowing it sink into the paste. Record the penetration depth. Prepare trial paste with varying percentage of water and test as described above until the plunger is 5 mm to 7 mm from the bottom of the Vickers mold. Then calculations. Standard consistency in percentage is equal to weight of water added divided by weight of cement into 100. This value of consistency is expressed in percentage by mass of water.